Yeah, the people who are claiming that this AUTOONE M5 car jump starter is maybe the most beautiful car jump starter are probably not wrong, but they could also miss out on that it's not only a very beautiful one, but also a super powerful one with some very advanced features. Some of them I've never seen before. Yeah, I've tested this AUTOONE M5 already yesterday for jump starting our car, and it definitely worked absolutely no problem. It was very easy to connect the clamps here on this side with this dedicated opening for the super high power up to 9000 amps, which is suitable for pretty much all gas cars and diesel up to 12 liters. And then also connecting the really nicely built, good insulated clamps to the battery was an absolute breeze. After connecting, I've seen a flashing light, and that means that it's checking the voltage of the battery. So either it's using normal jump start function like some other jump starters are also doing, but now here comes this super advanced feature. When this jump starter is detecting very low voltage, then it's automatically activating the emergency start. You don't have to press a button. You can see there is absolutely no button here. This is absolutely amazing. With some other jump starters, these buttons are difficult to find, difficult to use. We never know what we have to do exactly. But here everything is managed internally directly from this jump starter. And so it's activating then the emergency start. That's so much easier than with most other jump starters, because my battery had still a sufficient charge that was not needed, and so it showed green and did a normal start, absolutely no problem. But we can use this jump starter for much more. When we activate it, here you can see we get the indicator light here, how much charge we have. We can also see that during the charge. By the way, we can charge it with really high power up to 30 watts directly with USB-C to C PD charge. For that we can use one of these cables here, and so you can see we have this USB-C port, which is not only very powerful input to charge this device itself, but also provides a lot of output possibilities, even high power up to 12 volts, and a lot of compatibility. And same thing here with the blue USB-A port, also with higher voltage capabilities. And on top of that we have an additional standard USB-A port. But that's not everything. On top of that we have even a standard 5.5mm DC plug here, which can also provide a lot of power for your devices if needed. I've tested it and got up to 144 watts maximum long term. Short term you can get a little bit more, but then after some time the protection will kick in and turn off the power. So again, for me long term it worked with around 144 watts maximum, which is still quite a decent power. So you can use that, for example, for camping, for your electric mobile coolers. And on top of that we have the light which we activate. Here is activating the device itself and then long pressing here in the front, and then we have this really powerful light here, but not only as a steady strong light. When we push again, you can see we get this strobe light. Pushing again, then we get this automatic SOS. Pushing again and it will turn off, but we can also turn it off with a long press at any time. So you can see it's really super versatile, powerful with up to 9000 amps peak, easy to charge with USB-C. We have the light, we have the automatic emergency jump starting function. That's something which I've really been waiting for. I haven't seen that with any other jump starter till now, but that's definitely going to be the standard in the future of jump starters. And so with this one we have it already. And so for interest, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. Could be also a really nice gift because it's so beautiful one. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this AUTOONE M5 jump starter, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.